But let's also talk about the technical side of the market and what we can expect when trading opens this morning. Chavan of Angel Broking now joins us on the show. Hi Samit, good morning and welcome to Market Cafe. Now first up, I just want to understand your own cue on what you expect from the Nifty and what exactly is the expectation, because last week we did have a very good run up really seen on the benchmarks. So this time what exactly is your expectation on the first day of 2017?
Hi, we've already seen a decent recovery in Nifty from the lower levels of 1700, 7893 in last 4 days. Nifty is now clearly heading towards its near-term resistance of 8275. But if we look at the overall chart structure, monthly chart structure, we expect Nifty to surpass this hurdle quite soon. Our next target in Nifty in the near term would be around 8450, 8500, which is we are anticipating at current level considering the monthly chart structure. On Friday we saw a confirmation of bullish hammer pattern that got formed on monthly chart, and it has managed to close beyond its monthly 20 EMA, which is a clear sign of strength. And now on the low side, we expect 8100 to 8055 to act as a very strong support, at least in the near term.
Samir, what's your view on Aurobindo Pharma? If you're looking at it, how the counter shaped up in trade, it was up 3%, very close to the 670 mark. There was short covering that was seen on the counter. Not too much open interest sheddings though, but overall, how will you play this one?
We've already seen a relentless fall in Aurobindo Pharma in last couple of months. The stock has corrected quite sharply from higher levels of 880, 900 and is now trading around 620, 640. Since last 3 days, we have seen a decent recovery in this stock, but the overall trend remains bearish, and probably in next few days this stock might retest high levels of 700, 720. But we would see selling pressure coming in at higher level, and thus those who have bought it at lower, they should lighten up their longs once this particular stock trades around 700, 720 levels.
Okay, and coming to IDFC then, Samit, on Friday we did have a very choppy close for that one, 2% lower, following a very positive up move in the day before. So what's your own cue on how IDFC will perform for today?
As far as IDFC is concerned, on Thursday we saw a good traction in this particular stock with a humongous volume. The stock has managed to give a breakout from a resistance of 53 on a closing basis. But if we look at the overall weekly chart structure, the stock has clearly slipped into a consolidation mode, and thus going ahead 57 to 58 would act as a very strong resistance. In the near term, we expect this stock to move within a range of 57, 58 on the higher side, and lower side 50 to 40 and a half would act as a very strong support.
Amit, what about your two trading ideas? What can you recommend for our viewers today?
Our two picks for the day would be, first one would be on GAIL. On Friday we saw a breakout from triangular pattern. The stock has been oscillating within the boundaries of triangular pattern since last 3 weeks. However, we saw a decisive breakout with a rise in volumes. Thus going ahead, we expect GAIL to climb towards 450, which is the recent high, and stop loss can be fixed at 419. Our other buy call would be on Adani Enterprises. After a long consolidation, the stock has managed to surpass its multiple resistance zone of 74. On a closing basis, the volume activity too picked up substantially during this price development. Thus going ahead, looking at the weekly chart, we expect the stock to extend this rally towards 85, which would be a near-term target. Stop loss can be fixed at 70.
All right, Samit, thank you so much for joining us on ET Now, giving us a perspective on what we can expect from the markets. But as we step into the new year, we at ET Now tell you what Dalal Street veterans expect down the line in 2017. ET Now's Nikunj Dalmia caught up with Ramdev Agarwal of Motilal Oswal AMC, and here are a list of stocks that the market stalwart is betting on.
So iShares is very uniquely positioned.